shepherd girl who cried wolf. There once was a young girl who lived with her mother in a valley surrounded by mountains. The day had come for this little girl to help her mother by watching over the sheep. Her mother gave her instructions.
The time has come for you to watch over the sheep. It is important work. But I can play with my friends today. That will have to wait.
The mother thought that the village depended on her to keep the sheep safe. But then she gave her daughter instructions about what to do if the sheep were in danger.
If you see a wolf, yell, wolf, wolf. And the village people will come to help you.
The girl was a bit disappointed that she couldn't play with her friends today. But she also was excited to have the responsibility of taking care of the sheep. She herded her sheep up the mountain so they could graze.
Sheep, bah, bah, we're gonna venture, we're gonna venture, bah, 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 bah. Now you sit here and bring back to Island over there for the wolf.
The sheep were scared of the wolf.
There's a wolf on this mountain, and I'm scared. That wolf is mean, he wants to eat us. Don't worry, the shepherd girl will take care of us.
During the first few weeks, the girl kept herself busy playing her flute. Playing games with the sheep.
1, 2, 3, 4. Bring them out, here I come. You sheep are now playing, you're supposed to hide.
And she taught them some new dance steps.
You're terrible dancers.
Finally, the girl became bored. She thought the sheep were so boring. She said that nothing ever happened here.
Nothing ever happens here. None of my friends can be the most boredest girl in the world.
She thought and thought of ways to have some fun. Then she had an idea.
I know, I'll call look. All the villagers will come in. That would be so fun. Look, look! Oh no, not a wolf!
The village folk heard the cry and ran up the mountain.
Where's that wolf? I'll give him what for. Where's that wolf? I'll give him some more. Where's that wolf? I'll make him sore.
When they arrived, they found no wolf. They thought the wolf must have run off.
No wolf here.
The girl thought that was so much fun.
That was so much fun.
A few days later, the girl got bored again. Then she had the idea again.
Look, look!
The villagers came running to meet her.
Where's that wolf? I'll give him what for. Where's that wolf? I'll give him some more. Where's that wolf? I'll make him sore.
The villagers ran to check on the sheep and decided that the wolf must have run off until they heard the girl laughing.
You guys sure look scared. You think this is funny, sister? Someone could have got hurt. This is no time for jokes. Let's get back to work.
Shortly after the villagers returned home, a real wolf appeared.
What's that?
He jumped up from behind the bush and said,
Look, yummy sheep. I think I'll lamb chop for dinner.
The wolf frightened the sheep. They ran in all directions. The girl was so frightened she called to the villagers. But no one came. She called even louder.
Look! 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 Look!
the girl's cries, but thought she was playing another trick.
Did you hear something? It's just that shepherd girl playing another trick on us. I'm going to tell her mother.
And so, the villagers never came to save the sheep. The wolf had a lovely lamb dinner, and the shepherd girl lost her flock. The girl learned an important lesson that day.
Always tell the truth